How to remove someone from a group chat on Snapchat. This option was previously not available on Snapchat, and this feature was recently introduced. So, to remove somebody from your group chat, open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and open the chat section of the Snapchat. Now, all you have to do is identify the group chat. You can now simply click on the Bitmoji at the top left corner right beside your group name. Now you can scroll down until you see the group members. From here, you can choose the group member that you would like to remove. For that, simply tap on the group member's name and select Remove from Group. Simply tap Remove. If you are unable to remove someone from the group chat, it might be because you did not create the group. However, if you are the admin of the group chat, then you will be able to remove the group. And when you remove somebody from your group, then in the chat section, everybody will be notified that somebody was removed. And that's it. This is how you can remove someone from your group chat on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.